Hello everyone, my name is Akshata Deepak Vadgaonkar, working as an assistant professor at Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Today I am going to take a lecture on design of Boolean equation using DSCH and Microvint software. These are the learning outcomes. At the end of this session, student will be able to learn design of Boolean equations using DSCH and Microvint software. These are the content. First of all, I am going to discuss about basic rules of Boolean equation and take one example on Boolean equation implementation in DSCH software. These are the basic rules. Now, first of all, if we are having AND operation and OR operation, that means for dot operation, our NMOS should be connected in series and our PMOS should be connected in parallel condition. And for OR operation means for addition operation, our NMOS should connected in parallel condition and our PMOS should connected in series condition. Now consider a pull up and pull down condition. For PMOS transistor, in pull up we have to connect to VDD, means our PMOS are always connected to VDD in pull up condition, and in pull down condition our NMOS should always connected to ground. Now now let us understand the construction of pull down network. When two NMOS devices are connected in series, it will implement a NAND gate operation. Means if two NMOS are connected in series, it will form a NAND gate operation, means A dot B whole bar. And if two NMOS are connected in parallel condition, it will implement a NOR gate function. Means if two NMOS are connected in parallel, it will perform as a NOR gate, means A plus B whole bar operation. Similarly, the construction of pull up network is that if two PMOS are connected in series, it will implement a NAND gate operation. Means if two PMOS are connected in series, it will form A dot B whole bar operation. And if two PMOS are connected in parallel condition, it will implement a NOR gate operation or NOR function. Means if A and B, two input which is PMOS, are connected in parallel in pull up network, it will form A plus B whole bar operation. This was a condition for a pull up and pull down network. Now let us take one example. If F equal to A plus B whole bar, that means it is an example of our NAND gate. In NAND gate, first step we have to connect by using De Morgan's theorems our F equal to A dot B whole bar in our PMOS network and our F equal to A plus B whole bar in our NMOS network. And for PMOS are connected in series, because our F will be AND function and our NMOS should connected in parallel, because here our F should connected in OR function. This is the design of our A plus B whole bar circuit in DSCH software, or we can say it is schematic of our DSCH software. Now we have to see its implementation in DSCH software. Our function is that we have to connect A plus B whole bar. That means we have to design here our NOR gate. And for NOR gate, what is our required or what we required? For that we required our two PMOS are connected in series. So this is PMOS 1 and this is PMOS 2. Then we require two NMOS are connected in parallel condition in pull down region. Our NMOS should always connected in pull up and they are connected to VDD. This is the rule for pull up and pull down network, and in pull down network we are always connecting our NMOS and they are connected to the ground terminal. Now can add a line between two NMOS. We have to connect PMOS and NMOS and add a line between these two terminal. Now we are connecting this gate terminal of PMOS to the another gate terminal of our NMOS. Now we have to add VDD across PMOS terminal, across drain terminal of our PMOS, and we are adding ground terminal to the NMOS, and we are using LED to see an output here. Now we are using two inputs. This is input A and this is our input, second input. Just click on button. This is our second input, which is B. Now we have to reassign it, so just double click on it and rename as input A. Click on OK. Double click on second input and rename it as input B and click on OK button. In this way we are designing our function A plus B whole bar. Now we have to see its simulation, so just click on the simulation button and see if both the input is low, at that time our output is high. This is basic function or basic truth table of our NOR gate. If any one of the input is high, at that time output is low. Here input A is high, means 1, and input B is low, that means logic level 0, at that time our output is 0. And when both the input is high, at that time output is 0. And if input A is 0 and input B is 0, at that time also our output is 0 or logic level low. And if input A is 0, input B is 0, means both the input is logic level low, at that time our output is high, means logic level 1. This is the implementation of our A plus B whole bar function. Now we have to see its timing diagram, so just click on timing diagram and see here. This is our timing diagram of our given function, that is A plus B whole bar, and this function is of our NOR gate, and we can verify its truth table by giving different logic level. That means if logic level is 0, when both the logic level is 0, at that time output is high. This we can verify in our simulation. This is the designing and schematic of our function, which is A plus B whole bar. So I hope everyone should understand how to design any Boolean function in DSCH software. Thank you.